Configuration process of Magento extension. One-step checkout. Are your customers leaving your store due to the complex checkout process on your Magento 2 store? Install our exclusive extension today to ease the buying process and provide your customers with a convenient one-step checkout option. And guess what? The installation process is a breeze. After a successful installation, you must click on Stores followed by Configuration on the Magento dashboard. Next, click Technology and select One-Step Checkout from the option to land on its configuration page. Here are the comprehensive settings you'll notice on the configuration page. General settings. Enable One-Step Checkout. Admin can enable or disable the functionalities of our One-Step Checkout from here. You must select Yes to enable this extension. Checkout Page Title. Admin can seamlessly edit the page title for the checkout page as per their business preferences from here. Enable Buy Now button. Enable this option to allow customers to complete purchases directly from the product or category page. Select Position for checkout page title. Choose the position of the title to be displayed on the checkout page from here. Select Layout for one-step checkout. Determine the design of the checkout page between 2 and 3 columns layout from here. Enable Address Autocomplete for shipping address. Admin can suggest shipping addresses to their customers based on Google Maps using this option. Google Autocomplete API key. Admin is required to enter their API key to provide customers with autosuggest addresses. Enable Order Comment field. Admin can allow customers to add relevant comments during checkout with this option. Enable GST field. Enable this option to allow customers to add their GST details while ordering products given that the selected country is India. Enable Blocks Collapsible. Choose whether you want to allow the customers to collapse the blocks when needed or not from here. Customization settings. Here are the settings you will discover in the Customization Settings section of our extension. Change background color. Admin can effortlessly change the background color of the form available on the checkout page using this option. Change input field color. Use this option to edit the color of the input field on forms found on the checkout page. Once you're done setting up the functionalities per your business preferences, click Save Config to save these changes. Let's now see how it works on the front end. First, customers visit your Magento store and add their favorite products to the cart. Next, they click on the Proceed to Checkout button in the cart. Instead of the default checkout screen, they'll be redirected to a smoother one-step checkout page. Here we are using a 3-column layout for checkout. In the first column, the customer is required to enter relevant account details like email address. Following this, they must enter shipping details. In the next column, they'll find the shipping method as well as the payment method. Buyers can edit these methods at their convenience. In the third column, customers can find the order summary along with the final price of the product added. After making sure everything is correct, they can click on the Place Order button under Payment Methods. Post a successful order. You'll get an order confirmation message on the screen. We hope you liked our video. If you have any queries or further doubts, feel free to put your question in the comments section, and we would love to help you out. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Stay connected with technology creators for more extension and plugin support.